some decent earnings, picking the technology basket higher from there. The Nifty starts off lower by about 0.5%, but Nifty Bank is the big culprit. 1% lower for the Nifty Bank as we kickstart trades. Let's see what the sectoral flavor is like. Well, the Nifty Bank is trying to find its feet. 1% lower right now, but IT is the one which is actually managing to hold out. But real estate, auto, consumer durables, FMCG, those are your other drag points. IT, pharma, the defensive tilt of the market clearly back. Healthcare, metals as well are seeing slight bit of green come by on the screen right now. Let's start off then with the earnings reactions, and let's first see what Reliance Industries is up to, and then we'll kickstart with HDFC Bank, Axis, Kotak, RBL, IDBI Bank, etc. RIL has started off in the green, about 0.5% higher, so that's definitely going to provide the index some amount of cushion, at least 4% lower for HDFC Bank, 786. That's the gap down that it started off the day with. ICICI Bank, though, positive numbers, positive reaction from the markets, 1.6% higher, 2.5% lower for Kotak Bank as we speak right now. And then, of course, Axis will also come up for you on your screens. Yes Bank lower by about 3% as we speak right now. What is happening on Tata Power, JK Cement, Yes Bank? That was a positive performance, as was PNB, wherein the NII saw an uptick of 2%. Slippages were lower by 25 bips on a sequential basis. PNB has moved up a solid 3.25% right now, and that's on the back of some good performance coming in there. Let's check in on Yes Bank as well, because there too the retail slippages have come in at a 10-quarter low, but the profit has missed the estimates because of higher provisioning, and that's something that the street is not liking. Over 3% of a cut coming in on Yes Bank as we speak right now. Other earnings, Tattvachintan Pharma, this Kulte Patil as well, Bellrise after its QIP closure, Alembic Pharma after partnering with NATCO, Landmark Cars after that fund buying, Bansali Engineering after its earnings. Let's check in on all those names. So it's clearly Nifty Bank, which is weighing heavy on the indexes. Reliance trying to do the balancing act along with ICICI Bank on the other hand.
27% upside. Motilal Oswal initiates coverage on MCure Pharma. That one also in focus. Stock perked up in the early minutes of trade. Sansera and Craftsman both up 2% plus on the back of those positive notes coming in from Goldman Sachs. What we're seeing is a bit of a cool off on a Mrs. Bector's, 1.4% lower on that one. And might want to keep that one on your radar as well. It's the PSU banks which are actually leading the pack where sectoral indices are concerned. So you're seeing a very decent move on the PSU banking index. The pharma index also doing well, 1% higher. The Nifty metal is up around 0.8%. IT, which was in the green, has now softened. We're seeing a 0.5% higher on the Nifty IT index. Some of those gains getting sold into. What we're seeing is the Nifty Bank is down 1.25%, so there's definite pressure there. And within the Nifty Bank as well, the private sector banks, 2.25% lower on the Nifty Private Banking Index outside of ICICI. It's looking like a tough day of trade after all of those numbers coming to us. 1.5% lower on the Fin Nifty as well as a result.